Sobrang love talaga siya ni Daddy, oh. Ayun. Naiinis yan mamayang konti. Ay, sus. Ang lambing-lambing naman. Ay, sus. Naglambing naman yan. Nangangagat na. Ay, sus. Kagat pa more. Be careful, love. Buntot niya ba? Sabi niya nakakahiga ako. Humiga ako dito. Nistorbo mo ako. Ayan. Ay! Ah. Tired? Go attack, Daddy. So sweet. Oh, sweet. Oh, sweet naman. Ayan, yung buntot niya. She miss you so much, my love. She really miss you so much. Can you imagine when I open the door and she come close to you? And she never scared to you, but the other person, like my brother to come into home, go up direct. She is scared. Never go down for how many days?